I think I want to take some selfie and post on IG today. Hmm. Okay. What happened? Oh, what happened to my IG? Hmm. What? Why their comment is so bitter? Hello, Raja? Where are you? I think I need to talk to you. I feel so miserable right now.
Hmm? Yes. Hello, Afika. Huh? What happened to you? Okay, I will come right now. Afika, you okay right now?
No, I'm not. Look at this comment.
Why they comment like that to you?
I don't know.
Do you know what's cyberbullying?
No, I do not know. Hmm.
Stop cyberbullying before it stops you.